Just come and drop by here if you happen to be in Lenggong Perak. Guys, guess where this is? And what is this? This is not a museum, it's not a fort, it's not a jail, it's not an abandoned building either, but it's an Instagrammable place. And this is the old theatre right here in Lenggong Perak. Check it out. Isn't it so cool? It kind of gives a bit of communist vibes in terms of the color gradings, the red and the yellow feels-ish. But yeah, this is literally the old cinema vibes. So it has now become an Instagrammable place for you guys to actually come and take photos and videos. So let's check out the place. So this is actually part of the Rumah Warisan community for today, as of today. And last time the ticket was only RM1 at the counter. What? From here, this is the place to buy ticket at this super mini counter. You just use your hand to collect the ticket here for only RM1. Wow.
40 cents.
So there's 40 cents and 65 cents or so over here to get your ticket last time. Are you insane? 40 cents and 65 cents for ticket? So yeah, this is the historic building here in Datuk Lenggong. So this used to be the cinema, and this is the list of the movies that they show, as you can see from the posters. There were no LED screens last time, just posters like the old vibes. Now I'm not sure why they have these tables and chairs. I think this is a waiting area, possibly. But yeah, let's go check out the upper floor. So much of vintage feels here. Wow. These are the classic films by these famous actors and actors. See, Michelle Yeoh, guys. Malaysia boleh. Looks like a schooling hallway. But it also kind of looks like the pre-war feels to it. Whoa. Oh, I suppose this is the theatre hall. The small theatre room to actually watch back then. Wow. I'm just making guesses and hints at this point. Like, I think that's the theatre room. This is probably another room for waiting, or it could be a theatre room also. I'm not sure. Oh, check it out. They also have a roof up there. Wow. This is super rad. You know? This is really, really rad and dope. I like how they mostly feature like Malaysia theme films. Like these are actually Malaysia films, and this is Sudirman, the person who actually sang the Balik Kampung guy. Yeah, this is that guy. In conjunction with Raya vibes right now, this is so perfect. Wow. I don't know, guys, what do you think about this? Will you visit here? Let me know in the comments below.
Manager's room.
It's locked.
Locked.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Guys, I found a secret hidden room. I found a secret hidden room, guys. Let's see what's this. Is this the theatre room?
Manager room.
Or could be a manager room, yeah.
Here's a manager.
Ah, it's a manager room. Wow, pretty dope. So yeah, there you have it. What's behind these curtains? Oh, the car park area of the cinema back then. Overlooking a beautiful, magnificent mountains. So yeah, there you have it, guys. An Instagrammable old vintage cinema theatres here in Lenggong. So if you want to find this place, it's right here at Lenggong Perak. And would you come here to visit? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know. Thank you for watching.